Words followed by appropriate prepositions. Abide by, fulfill a promise or a decision. We must abide by our promise. To abstain from, to avoid, to keep away from. We should abstain from drinking. 3. Accuse of, to blame for a crime or misdeed. He was accused of a murder. 4. Acquit of, to free from. No evidence was proved against him in the court. So the judge acquitted him of all the charges. 5. Adhere to, stick to. We adhered to our age-old customs. 6. Addicted to be habitual of bad things, inclined to something bad. Those who are addicted to smoking fall prey to several diseases. 7. Afraid of, to be in fear of, in awe. I am not afraid of anyone but of God. 8. Agree with, to have the same opinion. We can't agree with you on this point. 9. Agree to, consent, say yes to a plan, a proposal. I suggested a plan and he agreed to it. Do you agree to my proposal? 10. Angry with, displeased. He is angry with me because I did not invite him on my birthday party. 11. Angry at, displeased at something. The judge was angry at the behavior of the convict. 12. Apply to, someone, or apply for, a thing. She applied to the managing director for the post of a business executive. 13. Apologize to, or apologize for, to say sorry for doing something wrong or causing a problem. Apologize to a person, apologize for something. Sudhir apologized to the principal for his rude behavior. 14. Appeal to, appeal for, to request. He appealed to his neighbors for help in emergency. He appealed for mercy. 15. Arrive at, reach a place, a conclusion, etc. He arrived at Shimla at 8 p.m. 16. Assure of, promise, to make someone believe that something is true. I assure you of my full support in your hour of need. 17. Astonished at, greatly surprised. I was astonished at his rapid progress. 18. Avail of, take advantage of, make use of. We should avail of every opportunity. 19. Aware of, knowing or realizing something. I am aware of your problems. 20. Believe in, to have faith in. I believe in God. 21. Belong to have relation with or to be member of a family, country, organization, etc. She belongs to a rich family. 22. Bent on and upon, determined to do something, firm on. He is bent on and upon doing mischief. 23. Beware of, take heed, to be aware about, to be cautious. Beware of false friends. 24. Bless with, to have something good. May God bless you with a daughter. 25. Boast of, speak proudly, to talk with too much pride about oneself. She boasts of her beauty all the time. He boasts of being the best teacher in the school. 26. Born in, to come out of mother's body into the world. I was born in 1962. 27. Capable of, able. I am perfectly capable of doing this work myself. 28. Coincide with, to take place at the same time. My selection as a captain coincided with my birthday. 29. Commence on, to begin. Our midterm examination commences on 4th December. 30. Compare with, make comparison with similar things or persons belonging to same class. Don't compare yourself with other persons. 31. Complain of, to express unhappiness or dissatisfaction. She always complains of her poverty. 32. Confidence in, trust, belief in. The players of this team have full confidence in their captain. 33. Confident of, feeling sure about one's ability. I feel confident of winning this match. 34. Composed of, made up of. Chemical fertilizers are composed of urea, calcium sulfate, etc. 35. Compete with, contest. Can you compete with Mary Jones in the race? 36. Congratulate on, to appreciate, to praise someone. Ravi congratulated me on my grand success. 37. Content with, satisfied with. Are you content with your fate? 38. Contrary to, opposed to. This scheme is contrary to public interest. 39. Consist of, parts or features of a thing. Their diet largely consists of vegetables. 40. Convicted of, guilty of a crime. He was convicted of a fraud. 41. Convey to, carry to. Please convey my regards to your parents. 42. Deprive of, to take away something. She was deprived of her share of her father's property. 43. Deal in, trade, do business. My father deals in cloth business. 44. Desire for, ambition, aspire for, wish for. I have no desire for money. 45. Die of, to die of a disease. She died of brain tumor. 47. Die for, to die for any reason. Bhagat Singh died for his country.